Hey rising parents, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to review the VTech Sit-To-Stand Learning Walker.
Yeah, we've been using this toy in our daycare for a while now, and we have to say, we're pretty impressed.
This is a great toy for babies who are just learning to walk. It's designed to help them with their balance and coordination.
And it's not just a walker, it's also a learning center. The front panel has buttons, gears, and other interactive features that help babies develop their fine motor skills.
Plus, it plays music and has lights, which really gets the little ones excited.
Yeah, the kids in our daycare love this toy. They're always fighting over it.
But seriously, it's a great investment for any parent who wants to help their baby learn to walk and develop other skills at the same time.
And it's really durable too. We've had it for a few months now and it's still in great condition.
Overall, we highly recommend the VTech Sit-To-Stand Learning Walker. We've seen firsthand how it helps babies learn to walk with confidence.
And don't forget, if you purchase this product through our Amazon affiliate link in the description below, it helps support our channel.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other helpful videos.